I want to now show you a practical example of the BVR5000 used in the mining context. As you know, in the mining industry, there's a proliferation of mining lighting trailers. Basically, these trailers provide illumination after dark so that mining can continue running 24/7. About 2 months ago, Radlin Communications was approached by a lighting tower, lighting trailer manufacturer called Mobilight. They wanted us to help them automate their state-of-the-art solar-powered mobile lighting trailers. You see one of them there on the screen in front of you. The idea is that Mobilight wanted us to design a Tetra radio-controlled system to allow us to automatically deploy and pack away an entire fleet of mobile lighting trailers with minimal human intervention. So the first step in that automation process involved identifying all the moving parts on the mobile lighting tower and the corresponding electromechanical control components. What you have there in front of you in that picture, in that video, is the inside of their control cabinets. You can see two of our BVR5000s. We're using two for simplicity. We could use one with an external I/O driver to talk to the multiplicity of mechanical parts that we need to control. Fundamentally, on a lighting tower, you can see the various moving parts shown on this drawing here. You've got arm, which is the thing that moves the position of the lights. You've got the lights themselves that you need to turn on and off. Each of those lights can be twisted to different angles under remote control to shine on a particular part of the area that you're working. There's a scope which extends the height of the lighting tower, and then there's the mast itself which swings vertical when it is deployed. On top of that, you've got solar panels attached to the side of the vehicle which collects sunlight and stores the energy inside a bank of batteries inside the trailer. We need to manage that as well. Now on the BVR5000 board, you know that there are a bunch of outputs and inputs. Well, we're using 4 of the digital outputs as shown by the arrow on the right, and 4 of the relay outputs for controlling these devices on the mobile lighting tower. So these are the moving parts that we need to control. In addition to controlling the hardware, we've created a short data application, an SDA, that has been specially written to run from the BVR5000 on a controlling Supura handheld radio. What you have there is a picture of the SDA running. It says, "Welcome to BVR Light Tower Control. Please select a mode." It allows you to go into auto mode or manual mode. In the manual mode, the user is presented with a variety of options for controlling the moving parts on that lighting tower. For instance, on the screenshot on the left there, you can see that you can control the lights, the arms, the mast, etc., etc. And as you drill down, you can move the mast in very fine increments. You can move it down, move it up, etc. You can turn on and off lights, as you can see on the 2 screenshots on the right. Now the SDAs interact directly with the BVR5000 hardware to give it a very responsive interface for every required action. So I'm going to show you a video now of us turning on and off some lights. First of all, we press the button to turn on the lights, and then we scroll down to go and turn off the lights now. As you can see, there's a slight latency, but it is not appreciable, and you're able to directly control the lighting system with virtually instantaneous response time. Now in the automatic mode, the BVR5000 looks after all of the sequencing and control of the moving parts. We call it auto deploy. Now you can hear the beeper in the background. That goes off for 20 seconds to get people out of the way so they don't get hurt. There's also a rotating LED beacon that you can see, that rotating orange light on the right half of the screen. Okay, here we go. So first of all, we raise the mast into a vertical position. Then we increase the height of the scope. and then we moved the light, the two bars of light into a horizontal position in readiness to turn on the lights to light up the yard in front of you. Now all of this is controlled autonomously from within the BVR5000, driving the individual relays, controllers, motors, etc. on this lighting tower. Okay, now the next step is to move the actual solar panel arrays. I need to move the camera into position there. Here we go. So now the panels point to the sun to start charging the batteries during the day, etc. Now I would like to show you the same sequence in reverse in the auto-retract mode. Now what's happening is that we're packing away this lighting tower automatically onto the BVR5000's control. First, the solar panel is packed away, coming up now. And then you can see the lights rotating out of the way. We'll go back to that in a few seconds. And the scope is retracted. And then the two arms fold down into position in readiness for packing the mast. Sorry, there's a bit of noise in the background there. We had a lot of people working that particular day. Our whole car park was full of lighting towers, trucks being installed with radios, etc., etc. Okay, we're going to fold away the mast now. Okay, all done. Recently, we've been very fortunate to have received 2 international awards for the BVR5000. We received at the Talk Digital presentation the Innovations and Excellence Award back in October 2014. And a few weeks ago, we received the International Tetra Awards for Best Tetra Innovation. And we're very thankful that we've had this opportunity to develop this product. And we're thankful also for the cooperation that we've had from Sapura in helping us to get as far as we've gone. So we're really looking forward to being able to work together in the future on how we can build products together using this particular platform, the BVR5000 platform. So thank you very much for your attention. It's been great, and I hope that you've actually found this presentation useful. If you've got any questions, please feel free to contact us. The details are on the screen, and we're most happy to discuss further how we can work together in future. Thank you very much.